Have a good day, dear students. Today we will see the quick recap of Chapter 1, Standard 7, Social Science Geography Ncert book. The book name is Our Environment. The name of the chapter is Environment. In this first we will see the mind map. Environment. In this we will start from the components of environment. Components of environment: cultural environment, that is based on the society, economy and politics. Okay. Physical environment, that is based on the land, air, water and living things. Biological environment, that is on the floral, fauna and microbia. Okay, means what is the flora and fauna, means that is the culture. Okay, now actual question: what is environment? Environment is our basic life support system. Next, domains of the environment. Natural environment. Okay, there is a four main domains of the environment. First one is lithosphere, from the solid part of the earth, means that is solid part of the earth that called crust, that is lithosphere. Means then hydrosphere, covered 3/4 of the earth in the form of the water. Okay, then atmosphere forms a protective layer. It is thin layer of air. Then biosphere, made up of living and non-living things. Okay, next point: what is ecosystem? It is complex network or community made up of living and non-living organism. Means ecosystem, in that means living or non-living organism both are existed, that is called the ecosystem. Then human environment. Okay, it studies and explains the interaction between human and their natural environment. Means in a human environment they natural resources has been used and modified by human and created environment, that is called the human environment. Next one, important notes in this first Chapter 1, Geography, Chapter 1, Environment. Environment is the basic life support system that helps us live. Okay, the nature, place, people, things, etc. that surrounds the living organism make the environment. It has three components: natural, human and human-made. It is a combination of both natural as well as man-made phenomena. Natural environment comprises biotic and abiotic conditions, wherever the man-made phenomena comprise the activities and interaction among the human beings. Biotic conditions refer to the living organism and abiotic conditions refer to the non-living element. Next point, natural environment. Okay, so in natural environment, land, here print mistake is there, land, water, air, plants and animals comprise the natural environment. Okay, second one, lithosphere. Atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere are the four main domains of the nature. Okay, so these are the four main domains of the nature. In that, lithosphere is a solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth, means on which layer we are living, that is crust. Okay, so that is lithosphere. It made up of rocks and minerals and has a thin layer of soil on top. It contains landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains and valleys. Okay, so on which we are living, that is lithosphere. Next, hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is the domain of earth. It comprises water bodies like river, lakes, sea, ocean, etc. It is essential for life. Okay, means whatever the water bodies, that is called the hydrosphere. Next one, the atmosphere is the thin layer of the earth that surrounds the earth. It protects us from the harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun. The gravitational force of the earth hold the atmosphere around it. The change in the atmosphere create the weather and climate. Okay, means whatever the means weather, we can say climatic or weather changes are there, or means whatever the climatic situations we are seeing, like means rain, like gases around us, means air around us, that is atmosphere. Okay, next one, biosphere is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact which with each other to support life. Both the plant and animal kingdom make up the biosphere. Means biosphere depend on these three realm or domains: lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. After combination of these three means domains, the fourth one, biosphere, is being created. And in biosphere means plants, animals and humans are including, so only their existence is possible with these three main domains. Okay, lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Next one, what is ecosystem? The relation between the living organism and relation between the organism and surrounding form of ecosystem. Means the relation between the living organism and relation between the non-living organism, or we can say means the interaction between the living and non-living organism, that is called the ecosystem. Ecosystem is a biological community of interacting organism and their physical environment. Means non-living and non-living things relation with the environment, that is called the ecosystem. Second one, there could be an ecosystem of large rainforest, grassland, desert, mountains, lakes, river, ocean and even a small pond. Okay, these all things are including in the means ecosystem. Human environment, human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their need. Early humans adapted themselves to their natural surroundings. They learned to invent the wheel, grow crops, domesticate animal, hunting and gathering food. Means how means environment has been started to create slowly that journey the people have been shown. With time, trade and commerce flourished and the barter system emerged. Okay, so means slowly new system has been also emerged. Fourth one, industrial revolution, transportation and information revolution, and information made communication easier and speedy across the world. Human need to maintain a perfect balance between nature and environment and themselves. Human must learn to live and use their environment in harmonious ways. Okay, this is very important point. As human started to use nature or natural things, so he doesn't think about it, means the harmful causes of that creates in a nature. Okay, so human has to be maintain balance with between natural environment and themselves. Okay, today we are completing our chapter here. I hope you people like that. Thank you so much.